Assalamu alaikum, my little creatives, and welcome to our art adventure! Today we're going to be making these barakah binoculars. And as we craft, we're going to be learning about saying mashallah and allahumabarik to keep the blessings going and avoid envy. You're going to need pens, a pair of scissors, a pencil, some glue and some card. Your feedback is so important to improving our channel, so please write me a comment. The link is in the description below. Shall we get started?
Before we begin any task, we start by saying Bismillah. So say it with me. Bismillah. I'm first cutting out 2 pairs of glasses, one circular and one with heart eyes. I'm going to put a picture on the screen so you can follow my lead. Words are powerful. They can make people smile, laugh and feel loved. They can also make people feel sad, angry or hurt. Allah gave us tongues so that we could speak. But He also warned us that the tongue can bring good or bad. Allah, out of His mercy, gave us special words that protect us. They're not long or difficult, but they are stronger than any shield or sword. And these words are mashallah, which means this is what Allah has willed, and allahumabarik. Oh Allah, put barakah in it or bless it. Whenever we see something nice, whether it ourselves or in others, we should say one of these words. But why? Because of something called the evil eye. The Prophet Muhammad sallallahu alaihi wasallam said the evil eye is real. But what does that mean? Imagine you're playing outside with a brand new football. It's shiny and bouncy and you love it. A friend comes and looks at it and he thinks, wow, that football is amazing. But he doesn't say anything like mashallah or allahumabarik. And later when you kick the ball, it suddenly bursts. Why? Because his look carried amazement without remembering Allah. That's the evil eye. It's when someone's admiration or jealousy mixed with forgetting Allah brings harm. The evil eye can happen when someone admires something, when someone feels jealous, or even when we admire our own things too much. That's why Allah gave us a cure, the remembrance of Him. Now I'm colouring in our evil eye glasses first. The evil eye is not magic. It's not something people do on purpose all the time. Often people don't mean to harm anyone, but when they admire something without remembering Allah, the blessing can be harmed. For example, Fatima sees her brother's bicycle and thinks, I wish I had that. She doesn't say anything. And the next day the bicycle chain breaks. Or Omar gets full marks on his exam. He says, I'm so smart, I don't even need to study. He forgets to thank Allah. And the next time he struggles and fails the test. The evil eye happens because blessings belong to Allah. And if we don't connect the blessings back to Him, it becomes unprotected. We say, mashallah, which means this is what Allah has willed. It's a reminder that everything we have, our toys, clothes, homes, skills, or even beauty, our smiles, They're all a gift from Allah. And when you say mashallah, you're admitting the blessing is from Allah. You're showing gratitude and protecting the blessings from envy or evil eye. For example, you look at your drawing that you've just drawn and say, mashallah, Allah helped me draw this. You see your friend's shiny shoes and say, mashallah, they look great. You watch your sister read Quran. Mashallah, she recites so beautifully. We can also say, allahumabarik, which means, oh Allah, bless it. This is even more powerful than just admiration. You're making dua. You're asking Allah to keep the blessing safe, to make it grow, and to put barakah or blessings in it. For example, when you see your cousin's new toy car, allahumabarik, that's amazing. Or you taste your mum's delicious cooking, allahumabarik, that's so yummy. When you say this, you protect the blessings and also give your friend or family member a gift, a prayer for more goodness. Now I'm going to draw heart-eye sunglasses, but make sure it's roughly the same size as our evil eye pair. Let's make it super clear. When you see something nice in yourself that you have, you can say mashallah. When you see something nice in others or what others have, you say allahumabarik. Or you can say both. Mashallah, allahumabarik. That looks so cool. This way you are safe, your friend is safe, and the blessings are safe. It's like a shield of protection. Sometimes we forget that we can even harm our own things. Yes, we can give the evil eye to ourselves if we admire without remembering Allah. A boy named Ali loved his new pen. He kept saying, this pen is so cool. It writes so smoothly, I love it. But he never said mashallah. And a few days later, the pen broke. He learned a big lesson. Always say mashallah when you admire your own things. When you see something in others, it's even more important to say something good, because envy can happen easily. Maryam saw her friend's new doll. She thought, I wish I had that too. But she didn't say anything. Later, the doll's arm broke. If she had said allahumabarik, that doll is amazing. What a beautiful doll. She would have protected her friend's toy. So remember, for others, we say allahumabarik. And if you forget, at least say mashallah. Or you can say both. If we forget these words, harm can happen. Toys can break. Clothes can tear. Food can go bad. People can get sick and blessings disappear. It doesn't always happen right away, but it reminds us we should always protect our blessings with the remembrance of Allah. So let's make it a habit. Look in the mirror and say mashallah. When you see your friend's toy, say allahumabarik. When you see something amazing, Say both. Mashallah, allahumabarik. And remind others. If your friend forgets, gently say, mashallah, so nothing bad happens. Now I'm colouring in our protective sunglasses and writing mashallah and allahumabarik in the middle. The Prophet Muhammad sallallahu alaihi wasallam also taught us other ways to protect from evil eye. We should recite Surah Al-Ikhlas, Surah Al-Falaq and Surah Al-Nas before bed every day. We should say Bismillah before doing things and make dua for others instead of being jealous. But the easiest protection is to make sure you say mashallah and allahumabarik. Let's practice. Wow, your shoes are so nice. And you say mashallah. Oh, mashallah, allahumabarik. They're great. You can remind your friends to say it. Or your sister comes up to you and says, I finished memorizing a new surah. You say, mashallah, that's wonderful, allahumabarik. Say it with me. Mashallah, mashallah, mashallah. And allahumabarik. 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 Habits take time. At first you may forget, but if you keep reminding yourselves and others, you will soon say mashallah and allahumabarik without even thinking. Envy and jealousy is very real. It can hurt people. Without remembering Allah, it causes harm. So say mashallah. This is what Allah has willed. And allahumabarik. Oh Allah, put blessings in it. You can say mashallah for your own blessings and say allahumabarik for other people's blessings. Or just say both. But remember Allah to protect from your blessings. Now I'm going to glue the little tab on top of our other pair of glasses as a protection. When we see something beautiful, we don't want any harm to come to it. So we say mashallah, allahumabarik. Remember, blessings come from Allah. They're gifts. The way we keep them safe is by remembering Allah with our tongues. Every time you say mashallah or allahumabarik, you're building a wall of protection around yourself, your family, and your clothes and toys and food. You have to protect all the blessings. So spread these words everywhere you go and teach them to your friends and family. Because these are not just words, they're shields, they're du'ats. They are keys to keeping blessings safe. So always say mashallah and allahumabarik anytime you see anything beautiful.
Wow, look at the beautiful craft you made. I'm so proud of the amazing work you did today. Look, now we can remember when we see something beautiful that someone has, we say Allahumma barik. And when we see something beautiful that we have, we say mashallah. Let's end with a short dua. Raise your hands and repeat after me. O Allah, protect me from evil eye and every harm. Ameen. And don't forget to leave a comment in the feedback form below so I can improve my channel for you. And I will see you guys in the next video. Assalamu alaikum wa rahmatullahi wa barakatuh.